A beautiful future. We're in the early stages of AI, and I believe that we have three trajectories from here. It could destroy mankind, either itself or through its technology and its information that it shares with a human being who destroys mankind. But I don't want to talk about that here. I believe that the odds of that are very low, and that's not the future I want to envision or experience. Number two is where AI just helps a little bit. It does some things for us, but it improves every industry just a little bit. That's fine. But the third one, the way that I see us going, the future that I envision from everything that I've learned and read over the last couple of years, is that AI is going to make healthcare more efficient. It's going to work on preventative cures ahead of time, both with technologies like CRISPR and Forplan and all that stuff. It is going to be absolutely amazing. They're going to solve existing problems. They're going to keep current problems or non-evident problems from coming to the surface. Next, it's going to be clean energy. We're going to all have clean energy. In our lifetime, in my lifetime, I'm going to see clean energy for everyone. Third, I think that we're going to heal our environment. We're going to be able to help clean up the air, the water, our oceans, and just make this world a much better place. But third is the effect on manufacturing. That's my space, right? That's our space. Advanced manufacturing and automation. AI is going to help us so much. We're going to see a manufacturing boom in this country like nobody has ever seen before. Right now, absolutely zero. No company is really realizing the benefits of AI right now. You've got some marketing companies and things like that. It's making minuscule, tiny little effects on a very small percentage of the companies. But once our manufacturers and our automation companies really start getting the value from this in the next couple years, we are going to see a renaissance of the American and the global manufacturing just explode. And don't worry, because whenever automation increases, so do jobs. I guarantee it. We need more people to be creative and to help develop and design new products and find out what people need and what they want. So the future is beautiful. There's going to be more work than there are people. Every company that's using AI and benefiting from it is going to be trying to hire as fast and as many people as possible. I guarantee it. The future is bright, and I can't wait. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.